Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika, and if you're new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And it's been long that I have done any haul video. So I'm back with another one. As you guys know, Delhi is super cold and winters are here. I just love winter sometimes because I can layer it up different outfits and also feel warm at the same time. And this time I shopped from Flipkart, which is one of the leading fashion brands in India. And also I have few packages here from Flipkart to unbox for you guys. So I shopped for the winter collection. You can get up to 40 to 80% off on winter wear. I got all of these in such budget friendly prices, let me tell you. And you can find all the products links in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. I am super excited to try them on. Also Flipkart ऐसे थोड़ी ना बन गया इंडिया का फैशन कैपिटल. They have such amazing offers. They have over 10 lakh plus styles which are influencers recommended, and also you have the style guide. All of these products are quality checked and Flipkart assured. They go through 6 different quality checks. They have easy return, exchange and return policy. It also gets delivered within 48 hours. I got all of these products super fast, and also they were packed very nicely. It was value for money, and also the quality is super nice. You can also shop in vernacular languages, that is in different languages, on Flipkart and scroll through all the winter collection. They have super great options and these are affordable as well. So I'll show you what I picked it. So this is the part 1. I will also make a part 2 because I have a lot of things to show you guys, and in this video it will be really long. So that's that. I'll put up very quickly the second part. If you are looking for budget friendly winter wear, then go for it. So let's unbox the first package. So I have this it comes in this paper bag, so it is eco-friendly packaging, which is really great in today's world, and I vouch for such brands. So the first thing that I got is this very nice denim jacket in the color blue with the fur print on the top. All the prices will be mentioned on the screen as well, and also if you want to shop, you can go ahead for the description box. You'll find all the links. So I got this in deep blue, royal blue color. This is a denim jacket and got it in the size L, because M, if I layer it up, L is more good for me. And it has these very nice buttons in the front. It also has 2 pockets, as you can see. I'll also show you the try on haul. And it has this fur right here, and also on the sleeves the quality is super nice and it is warm as well. It is thick material, and also I have already washed this once and the color does not go away at all. There is no color bleeding, and the quality is super nice and it's super cozy. I'll show on the screen as well how it looks. So this was my first purchase. Totally love this one. And now let's unbox the second. Okay, yeah, okay, the second package that I have, I got this for my father. I'll show you how it looks because my dad really loves to wear caps and mufflers, so I got this one. This is a muffler and a beanie set. As you can see here, it has this round neck muffler for men, which goes right here if you're feeling super cold, or if you're traveling to somewhere which has snow, then this is so warm and cozy. And it also has this black color beanie cap, which I really like because these are so warm and good, and black color goes with everything, so I like such caps. And it's super warm and nice, and protects you from cold. It's super warm and looks good on every single outfit. And this particular hoodie is also from a brand on Flipkart. I really love this one. This is from Tri-State. You can get on Flipkart. They have amazing designs in different variety, and you can also get a lot of different colors. I've already shown you this in my previous hauls. So this was my second purchase. Totally love it. I think my father will also like it. Now coming on to the third purchase. So this one is quite huge, and products you can return or exchange so easily. Okay, again a blue color jacket I have got. Look at the pretty color. It's royal blue. It has black button detailing right here and it is packed so well. So this is a hoodie come jacket. Not a hoodie particularly because it has chain in front like this. Unlike this one, this does not have a chain in front. It has a chain in front and hoodie, and it is so cool. It has, you know, black color buttons all over, and then if you run down it has full sleeves. Also, if you see it from the inside, it has fur inside for you know, give you warmth. So I like clothes which have fur inside. It keeps you protected from the cold. And also the hoodie has fur inside, so it's a particular, you know, a good package and a deal. And I got in the size medium here. Medium looks fine to me, so you can definitely check out the size chart before, you know, buying any stuff. And this one has this cute little hoodie and jacket. It also has two pockets right here, so if you are not wearing gloves, then these come really handy. Really like this one. Actually, this is my favorite purchase from this haul, and you can get this in such affordable prices. Everything is under 1000 rupees, so you don't need to worry about spending more money on winter clothing. So last but not the least, I had to get a hoodie. I am a hoodie lover, you know that. I'm already wearing one and I have so many in different colors. So I got this very nice, as you guys know that I've recently bought a cat and I'm obsessed with all things cat. So I got this very nice hoodie. It's from the same quality, this one and this one, and it is white in color. Let me just show you the hoodie. It has these little cat ears on the hoodie which looks super cute, and then it has, you know, black and white coordinated sleeves, and here it has a kangaroo pocket, like kangaroo pocket here, which has Batman kind of, or you know, meow kind of design here. It looks super cute. Also, if you see the detailing, it's super nice. It has paws here, as you know, Nada, and it looks so comfy and cozy, and it fits me so well. I got in the size medium. Everything is in the medium size because I wear inner inside, so I want something really big, and also it fits perfectly. So go for a size 1 bigger in winter clothing. And this is that. I really like this one. White looks so good on me, and I go for clothes white and black in winter because it goes with every boot, and you can style that in different ways. So it's really good investment. So do check out all the products I showed you in the video in the description box below, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Also comment down below your favorite product from this haul, and if you like to see more such hauls, then you're most welcome to comment down and let me know. I'll do more such for you. And happy you know, new year you guys, and happy holidays. Finally 2022 is here, and let's hope that we all be healthy in this year and enjoy as much as we can. So bye bye, until next time.